Hello everyone, this is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is my Telegram group link, and this link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job from digital marketing data analyst. This is for Mumbai location, Mumbai Maharashtra location, and salary is not mentioned in this, and experience need 5 to 7 years of experience, and a skill you have need like B2C and B2C environment, and you have also need Hadoop, Salesforce, Salesforce, and Google Analytics and all. How to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is IT faculty for data analyst. This is a hiring for Gangtok, Sikkim location, and salary is 6 LPA to 7 LPA per year. And this is job description you can see here, and this is overall view. And minimum qualification need PhD degree or master. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is e-commerce data analyst. This is for Bangalore, Karnataka location, and salary is not mentioned in this in here. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is also data analyst for Ranchi, Jharkhand location, and salary is up to 4 lakh per year. And this is full-time opportunity and day shift, and this is your job description. You must need knowledge of SQL, data analytic vacancy, and all. This is pharmaceutical company, and and this is all about your benefit, extra benefit, and a skill need C++, Python, Power BI, and Java, and VB. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the details. Our next job is web research analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is 20K to 30K per month. And this is also full-time opportunity, and shift is Monday to Friday and flexible shift. And experience need 1 year plus of experience, and a skill need MS Excel. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Barodara, Gujarat location, and salary is not mentioned here, and this is also full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is BI, business intelligence analyst. This is for Mohali, Punjab location, and salary is 30K to 50K per month, and regular permanent. And this is full-time opportunity and all, and this is a skill you have need SQL and Power BI. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 10 8 LPA to 10 LPA per year. And this is also full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and if fill the detail. Before that, you can read job purpose and job and what is the role and reference. And next job is research analyst for Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh location, and salary is 10K per month. This is for fresher. This is full-time internship. First, this company is hiring intern, and after your performance based, he give you opportunity as a full-time. And this is your a skill need like MS Office and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is data and analytics lead for New Delhi location, and this is all about this, and salary is not mentioned here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click here, and you apply on company website. Our next job is data analyst. This is for intern, Gandhinagar location, and salary is 5K to 7K per month. and this is your job description and have learned and what is your responsibility like Python analytics tools like BI and all, and how, and this is all over. This is full-time opportunity, but first 6 months is internship, and salary is 5k to 7k. Okay, if you are good in this salary, then you have apply on that. You have simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is web research analyst. This is for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is 20k to 30k per month. And this is your job description. You can see here, and this is your job description. And how to apply this job? We have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe.